So ano nga ba ang context sa video na ito?
Saan naisip mo yung may mga ganung possibilities, consequences sa buhay? Hindi ka ba natakot sa mga nag-cheat niyo tapos pinopost?
So, yun nga yung gagawin mo.
Hindi ko lang.
So this is a current issue going on in the Philippines right now, kung saan yung nasa video ngayon na nakikita ninyo, yung babae ay si Lindy Guzman, and the man who is behind the voice ay si Vince Jimenez. So ang current issue nilang dalawa ngayon can be summarized into one word: cheating, or in Tagalog, panloloko or pandaraya. The story goes like this. Yung lalaki matagal nang alam na may something or may nangyayari with his girl. Tapos, he decided to gather screenshots as evidences and proof na may something nga na nangyayari with his girl and I guess someone else. Tapos, he decided to compile it, to compile all the screenshots, the evidences, and the proofs para yun ang gagamitin niya pag i-confront niya yung girl, which was nung Christmas Day. Vince thought of a way to surprise Leah na hindi niya in-expect. So he decided to place all the screenshots in a gift wrap or a present na parang iisipin ni Leah na may ibibigay talagang gift si Vince, pero hindi pala. Something is going on, and that's where we end up right now. So if gusto nyo panoorin yung mga videos na to, they're available naman in TikTok. Just search the issue and I'm pretty sure na lalabas naman siya. This video was just made for the sole purpose for your own understanding and interpretation, as well as making things simple. Kayo, ano masasabi nyo sa issue na to? Leave it down in the comment section below. But for now, thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video.